If I didn't see it, I wouldn't believe it. But somehow in my chin bubble, I got a little bird. And he's stuck in there. Now, how am I going to get this little guy out of here? This is something new. Alright, little buddy, let's try to get you out. Hey, little guy, what are you doing in here? Hey? Can you get out the little hole there? No? Let's put on some gloves and get you out. Hang on there, buddy. So what are you doing in there, you little guy? Inside my helicopter. How about that? Okay. I'll try to get you out gentle, little buddy. Just hang on. Come on, little guy. I know this is freaking. I know this is freaking. Come here. There we go. Come on. Whoops. Come on, buddy. It's okay. Don't pack at me, little guy. Don't pack at me. There we go. Gotcha. Gotcha. Ow! Little guy's biting me. Look at that. My little buddy. Hey? Okay, little buddy. Ready to go? Off you go. Well, isn't that cool?